Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial from Learning with Han, and this is a trick video about how to learn the examples of red algae easily. In case you missed my previous trick videos, please check the link in the description and watch my amazing trick videos. Now we have a super easy sentence to remember all the examples of red algae or Rhodophyceae, that is great problems grow people. Obviously problems help us to grow. So here what is the trick? The first letter of four words in this sentence expresses the four examples of red algae. Here G in the first word great expresses the first example of red algae, that is Gelidium. The second word is problems, and in this word P means porphyra. In the next word grow, G expresses Glaciolaria, and the last word people, in which the first letter P shows Polysiphonia, another example of red algae or Rhodophyceae. So these were some of the most important examples of red algae or Rhodophyceae, and I hope that you can easily remember all the examples of red algae by a simple sentence, that is great problems grow people. So if you like the video, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more and more trick videos like that. Thank you.